Welcome to the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast. Our podcast goal is to bring you information and inspiration on achieving your full potential. Our podcast comes out every week on Wednesday morning. Each episode focuses on developing the mental toughness to succeed in life, business, and athletics. We define mental toughness as the ability to move forward under pressure. We will discuss how to use the 5 P's to developing the mental toughness and help you prepare to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. I'm Coach P. Jim Pusateri, and I have 30-plus years of experience helping others develop their mental toughness so they can achieve everything they want in life. I have developed several startup companies from the ground up, along with being a business and physical education teacher and a head football coach at the high school here in Florida. I use all that experience to help others move forward towards success. My passion is to educate and inspire people to reach their full potential. So let's get this podcast episode started. Well, good morning to you out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners, and welcome to the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast. Today's topic of discussion, visualization, helps with positive thinking. Yes, folks, we tell you all the time, the researchers say you have 10,000 to 60,000 thoughts a day, and 80% of them are negative. So how do you get that positive thinking? How do you get that mental toughness? How do you gain that ability to be able to operate under pressure? Well, part of it is with the visualization. You got to visualize positive things. So like I tell my football team, you drop the football, you can't have that bad body language because that carries over with you when you're telling yourself, oh man, I missed it, I couldn't catch it, dude, whatever the case is. These are negative thoughts. You have to visualize yourself catching that ball and scoring that touchdown. That's what you got to be thinking about. That's positive thinking. It dries out the negative. Visualization helps with positive thinking. You know, I talk all the time about this mental toughness, about this ability to move forward under pressure. And a lot of people, sometimes they think, it's all crazy motivational stuff. Folks, it's not motivational stuff. It's positive thinking. It's driving out the negative so you can succeed. Hey, if you don't master the 3 phases of achievement, it's hard to achieve what you want to achieve. The 3 phases are passion. Figure out what you love to do, make it your career, never work a day in your life. 2 is goal setting. That's the written blueprint for your life, the step-by-step process to achieve everything that you want to achieve. And the 3rd is mindset, and that's the positive thinking. That's the visualization. You see, visualization, it's a powerful technique that involves creating vivid mental images of desired outcomes, helping to harness the mind's power to influence real-life situations and results. One effective method is mental rehearsal, where individuals picture themselves successfully achieving their goals. That's what I just talked about. For example, athletes often visualize completing a perfect game or race, seeing every moment, emotion, and sensation associated with the success. This rehearsal helps create a positive mindset and primes the brain for actual performance, making success feel more attainable. All part of positive thinking, folks. All part of mindset. Yes, mental awareness. Hey, I'm going to take a short break right now because we offer a great master class on mindset, mental performance. So if I'm going to take a break, you can hear how you can obtain this class and master that area of your life. We'll be back in just a moment. It's ready. Our latest training course, Mindset, Developing Your Mental Performance. Has your mental game limited your training and performance? Do you struggle with self-doubt and confidence? Is it a constant struggle to maintain balance between your training and other aspects of your life? Let us help you gain control over your mind and thoughts. Our Mindset, Developing Your Mental Performance course features 19 lessons and how-to videos showing you how to develop the mental toughness to succeed, the ability to move forward under pressure. This course takes you from how the mind works to self-improvement in developing a positive mindset, improving your concentration, self-confidence, establishing success habits along with self-discipline and time management lessons. There's bonus lessons on leadership and character skills development. For additional information, hit the link in the show notes below or go to our website at inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Get this exciting course today, Mindset, Developing Your Mental Performance. Hey, we're back here. This is Coach P, your mentor at Inspirational University, the home of the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast and our book, Mental Toughness by Coach P. You can get that book over at Amazon. There is a link in the show notes below. We appreciate every one of you. We do want your feedback on the book also. Mental Toughness, the ability to move forward under pressure. You know, we also have a free book that we give out. It's called The 5 Ps to Success. And it fully explains how you can develop this mental toughness, how you can gather that ability to be able to move forward under pressure. Because we all know life is full of pressure. Life is full of situations and problems. I say it all the time. Life is nothing more than a series of problems. How you adapt to that adversity is going to determine how successful you become. So go ahead and get that booklet, The 5 Ps to Success. You can get it by hitting that link in the show notes below. We'll get it right on out to you. Hey, and as always, if you're struggling with something in your life, something you'd like us to talk about on this show, just reach out to me at my email. I read all my own emails. CoachP@inspiringthem.com. CoachP@inspiringthem.com. And as always, I tell you, please listen to our words of encouragement, which come out every Friday, come out every Monday through Friday. And they're 1-minute videos. And those 1-minute videos are there to help you kickstart your day, for you to win the day, for you to gain that ability to move forward under the pressure that the day may bring forward. So go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube station, those 1-minute videos, the words of encouragement. The channel is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, which is all one word, but there is a link in the show notes below so you can get it. Back to visualization, and that's our topic today, is visualization. It helps with mental performance. Yes, it does, folks. Visualization helps with mental performance. Another key technique is future self-visualization, where individuals imagine their ideal future self, embodying the habits and qualities that aspire to develop. By visualizing who they want to become, they can shift their mindset towards positive behavior that aligns with their goals. For instance, visualizing oneself as a confident, healthy individual can prompt changes in behavior such as healthier eating, regular exercise, or better time management. The strategy taps into the law of attraction, where thinking positively draws in opportunities aligned with those thoughts. I say it all the time, and I heard it from Zig Ziglar, that you want to be a professional, let's just say you want to be a professional baseball player, then you've got to already see yourself as being one. You've got to walk the talk, show the talk. Your actions have to be that way. You want to be successful in business, same thing. You got to act like you're already successful in business. And you keep moving forward. And you keep learning, because life is nothing more than a learning opportunity. Get out of that comfort zone so you can learn the opportunities, move forward, and challenge these big things in life. Lastly, affirmation-based visualization combines visualization with positive affirmations. This method involves creating mental images while repeating affirmations like, I am capable, or I can achieve my goals. I say it all the time. If you have to say I can't, make sure you add yet to the phrase. I can't yet, because you can achieve everything you want to achieve if you just master those 3 phases of achievement. Hey, the combination strengthens the belief in oneself, rewiring negative thinking patterns into positive ones. This practice builds mental resilience, encouraging individuals to maintain an optimistic outlook. Even when facing with challenges, hey, over time, it nurtures a positive mindset that supports growth, motivation, and stronger sense of purpose. Yes, folks, visualization helps with positive thinking. Hey, as always, if you want to further today's discussion, we do have a community forum board out there. Go ahead and hit that link in the show notes below and drop us a comment on this podcast, past content, our content, whatever it may be. Because we always ask you to please pay it forward by spreading this podcast and all of our content all over your social media sites. So together we can bring a little inspiration to this world each morning, and we can help others reach their full potential. Hey, if you're a business owner out there, love to have you sponsor this podcast. The details are in the show notes below. We'd love to talk about your company, your product, and your service to this great group of listeners. We're being heard all over the world, folks, all over the world. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is helping others reach their full potential by showing them how to move forward towards success, by helping them gain the ability to move forward under pressure. So how can I help you develop your mental toughness so you can reach your full potential? Reach out to me today, folks. Today's topic of discussion, visualization, helps with positive thinking. Hey, let's have a great day. And what do you say we move forward? Are you looking to live an amazing life, a life full of motivation and fulfillment? Then you must master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. We've developed 3 great master classes so you can master those areas of your life. The first one is Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This self-improvement master class helps you find your passion or your purpose in life and shows you how to make it your career so you never have to work a day in your life. The second master class is Goal Setting. This self-improvement master class teaches you a step-by-step process on how to establish lifelong goals and master these 3 phases of achievement so you can achieve everything it is that you want in this world. And the third master class is on mindset, mental performance. This self-improvement master class develops your mental performance. It teaches you that mental toughness that's needed to succeed, that ability to be able to move forward under the pressures in life. Learn to control your thoughts, and you will control your life. You can now get all 3 of these great master classes for the price of 2 just by hitting that link in the show notes below. For additional information on each class, you can also hit the link in the show notes below or look us up over at our website, which is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Remember now, get your great 3 master classes for the price of 2 today. We are pleased to announce our book, Mental Toughness by Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Learn the ability to be able to move forward under pressure. It is now available on Amazon or wherever you purchase your books. This book is so important because everyone experiences death, setbacks, and makes mistakes in life. But most people let those setbacks and those mistakes frame the rest of their life. This book is here to help you move past those mental blocks and to learn how to use the 3 phases of achievement to obtain the success you seek. The book is available on Amazon or wherever you purchase books in a paperback or Kindle version. And be sure to check out our podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P, which airs every Wednesday wherever you download your podcast. Let's have a great day and let's move forward.